I love the center, I love the crews, and even just kind of the character to it. You walk in and you see either pictures of previous Corps members or flyers for new opportunities. And so every time you come in, it's kind of like you're learning more about the community as well.
The center is very tight-knit. We all have this group camaraderie. Even if you're in the resource crew or in the fire crew, there's no difference.
It is legitimately a second family.
Here, the Monterey Bay Center, it's local. It's an advantage being near home.
It's very nice. We got to go home every day to our families, home-cooked meals. It's a special privilege.
I think just the overall atmosphere, it's pretty nice to come into work.
The weather's good for most of the places we go to. Because we're kind of right here on the coast, we'll be up in the mountains one day, we'll be in the wetlands another day, and then a month later we'll be over the hill at a fire. So you really kind of get the full spectrum of the work that the SEAS does.
I've had fuel reduction projects, some flood training, trail work projects, and so far I've gone on 2 fires with the fire crew. Been lucky enough to get good training out of it as well.
I do see that the experience I'm getting here will definitely put an asset into my resume.
Like we get to work on ourselves for your future career or education or things like that.
The staff here is great. The staff here is always trying to put you up into their highest standards of not just the program, but of one's own personal growth.
They helped us with like our resume, like the first 2 weeks that I was here, building like a cover letter. It's like also helping you plan your future after this.
It's great. It's rewarding work.
Just the fact that at the end of the day, I feel like I did something.
If you want to fell trees, if you want to be a part of fires, join the fire crew, join the resource crew, join the Monterey Bay Center. You won't regret it.